These words inside my head are taking over, taking me instead. Should've done that, maybe should've done this. Could've been there, baby, such a close miss. You hit me like a freight train, hit me like a boxer, bullet to the brain. And baby, I'm a talker, but you got me breathless, speechless now, and I just can't spit it out. So I wrote it down, something like a love song. I wrote it down, the words keep leading me on. I gotta get it out, out without a sound. Cause here in my head, I'm talking out loud. Watch my body lines, my secret language, telling you that I'm a bit outrageous. Is it clear that just a taste, it would feel so? But you'll never know, I'll never tell how bad I want what you wear so well.